put there. No. What said mommy? You don't listen to me?
No.
No. You put there.
No.
Cedric? You do not listen to mommy, huh? You don't listen to me. What said mommy?
No, no.
You put there.
No, no.
Open the cabinet. You open and put there. Yes, you put. Give mommy, come here. You give mommy na lang. Shh. Ay. Where's daddy? Oh, where's your eyes? Asan daw yung eyes? Sisirain mo talaga. Where's your eyes? Are. Oh, you close the cabinet. You close. Yes. You close. Very good. You close.